This keen focus on safety, this focus on customer service, focus on community. The airline's very involved in the community, and Brad, personally, with a partner that our relationship goes back to really the start of Alaska and the deep heritage of Boeing. If you think about the relationship.
Brad and Ryan and all the folks at Alaska that you mentioned, Stan, this is the culmination of a lot of hard work, and I'm so appreciative of everybody. I credit the Boeing company for a lot of that. You treat us like we're an airline that's way bigger than we actually are, and you just, a lot of Alaska's success is due to you guys, the relationship we have.
What the men and women have done to restore the regulatory certification of the MAX, and we want to thank the FAA, who was a partner in really ensuring that diligence was done on the airplane. So, yeah, those folding wings are awesome.
Yeah, they're very cool. All right, this is good. And you guys hold it. We'll clap.
There you go. It's clear who runs Alaska Airlines. It's Ingrid.
All right. All right.
We're really excited as pilots to see more airplanes. That's always good, and especially the MAX in particular. It's the most modern 737. It's been under an incredible amount of scrutiny. I think it's going to be the safest airplane out there in the skies. It's had an incredible amount of scrutiny across the entire world, and so it completely answers every question that I had, and I have complete confidence in the safety of the aircraft. Since this is the introduction of the MAX for our fleet at Alaska, this will be the first time that our pilots are flying the aircraft, and so all of our pilots are going through a comprehensive training program that includes, extensive training on the systems differences on the aircraft and the updates, as well as simulator training for each of our pilots before they fly the real aircraft.
It's just been fantastic working with Boeing. Alaska's had extraordinary success over the years, and a lot of that success is due to the amazing machines that Boeing builds that we fly. And with each one of these airplanes, our fuel burn is going to go down, our environmental footprint will improve, our maintenance costs will go down, our ownership costs will go down, and our revenue should go up because these airplanes are going to have 20 more seats than the aircraft they're replacing. So these should definitely be a really important part of how Alaska recovers from this coronavirus crisis. Alaska is all about safety. Safety is our number one value. Everything we do is built on safety. If we can't operate safety, we don't plan to operate. And I know this airplane has been through a bit, but I'll just tell you, we have scrutinized this airplane. Boeing has scrutinized this airplane. The FAA. We are enormously confident in the airplane. We're very anxious to fly it. I think it's going to be an extremely safe airplane.
Clearly, COVID's had an effect on travel today, but when a brand like Alaska Airlines puts forth an order like this, it means we're on the verge of recovery. They're planning for the long-term future. They want to be early. They want to be renewed. We gave them the flexibility to accelerate orders. We think this puts an airline like Alaska in a position to capitalize on the environmental benefits the 737 MAX provides, the fuel burn benefits. It's just a smart business move at a time when we see, with the advent of vaccines coming, there will be a recovery.